Hey guys, it's Gabriel Brown here. I want to give you another actionable tip today. I want to talk to you about a report that very few people know about, and I've never talked to anyone that actually knew about it. And it's called the Banking Activity Report. Now, how can this help you? Just knowledge of this report. Banks are actually using a banking activity report in conjunction with your three major credit reports, which is Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And how did I learn about this? You remember I said I had 49 credit cards. Well, there was a couple credit cards that I really wanted that I could not get. And I recognized that even with a high credit score, banks were still declining me for those cards. The Blackcard is the card that I'm talking about. Then I had a challenge where I was trying to get myself a personal loan, a consolidation loan, or a business loan. Maybe not in that order, but at one time I wanted to have all three of those loans. So a credit card is a type of a loan, and a personal loan and a business loan and a refinance or consolidation loan, they're all kind of similar, just the credit card is a revolving account versus the business loan, the personal loan, and the consolidation loan are installment accounts. But this is where I noticed something interesting. I was using a bank account on my application that I didn't keep a lot of money in. And I couldn't figure out why with an 800 credit score, why with great income, great time on the job, was I being declined for these luxury credit cards and these luxury finance instruments, the three loans, the business, the personal, consolidation. So I was researching banking reports, and I found a report that banks were consulting that actually gave them 24 to 36 months of my banking activity. I mean my debits, my credits, my deposits, my overdraws, whatever there was, it was on a specific report. And I found the report and found in the inquiry section of that report, excuse me, I should say the consumer file. It wasn't a report, it was a consumer file. I found the consumer file and saw all of the banks that I was applying for these loans and credit cards with listed in the inquiry section, and I saw all of my banking activity for 24 plus months. I couldn't believe it. I was like, how is this happening? And I did not know. Now, the moral of that story is banks are using this consumer file to spy on you about what kind of banking activity you're using or you're having. All right. And secondly, when I froze this report and I went back to apply for those same loans, consolidation loan, the business loan, the personal loan, I got approved for them all. So an actionable tip today is find out which banking activity report the creditors that you are applying with are actually consulting, and freeze that report, and you'll notice you'll get approvals right away. If you need some help with that, hit the link below, schedule a time to speak with me, schedule a call, and we'll talk for 10 or 15 minutes. That's about as much as it will take. And if you need my help, I'll be willing to help you with the Wealth Score system. Or you can go to wealthscores.com and you can schedule a call there as well. I look forward to speaking with you.